Hi there.
Hi, what can I help you with?
I want to practice spoken English. Can you help me with that?
Sure, I can help with that. What would you like to talk about?
We have come to Pizza Hut. Can you help me order a thin crust pizza with extra cheese and mushrooms and pineapple as toppings?
Sure, I can help you with that. So, you'd like a thin crust pizza with extra cheese, mushrooms, and pineapple. What size would you prefer? Small, medium, or large?
Small.
That's a small, thin crust pizza with extra cheese, mushrooms, and pineapple. Anything else you'd like to add? Or any drinks you'd like to order?
Can we take a Coke?
Sure. Would you like a small, medium, or large Coke?
A small one.
A small Coke it is. Anything else for you?
Can I have a discussion with you on some topic?
Sure. I'm ready to discuss any topic you'd like. What's on your mind?
Hi there.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I am doing great. Give me a short English quiz so that I can practice my English today.
Sure, I can help you with that. What kind of quiz would you prefer?
Maybe grammatical errors one.
Here's your first question. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Would you like going to the park with me? Would you like to go to the park with me?
Hello everyone. My name is Meenu and welcome to my channel Meenu English Speaking. Today I'm going to have an interesting chat with this amazing AI app and I will definitely tell you the name shortly. Many people say that you tell us about AI apps but they are actually not free. So I will show you how you can download this app absolutely free. You don't have to pay a penny. If you have an Android phone or you have an iPhone, you can do it on both the phones. I will show you how we can practice English with this app. So I have to tell you the name, right? The name of this app is Google Gemini. First of all, let's see how to download this app for free. So first of all, you have to go on Play Store. Or if you have Apple phone, then you have to go on App Store. So where is Play Store? Yeah, here is Play Store. Now I will go to the search bar and I will write Google Gemini. Here you can see the install button. I will now install it. It will just take a few minutes to install it. After that, when I open this app, now this is the screen. It says Hello Meenu. It is welcoming me to the first screen of Google Gemini. Okay, so let me press this button, the bottom right button here. When I click this button, it will start talking
Hi,
to me.
I'm Gemini. We're about to go live, where you can explore complex topics or ideas just by talking. But alright, let's dive right in whenever you're ready.
Hi there. Hi there.
Namaste. आप कैसे हैं?
Oh my god, it speaks Hindi. I want you to speak English because I'm here to practice spoken English. I want to become fluent in English. So start speaking in English.
Well, one way to start is by sharing something about yourself. It could be something you're interested in, something you're looking forward to, or even something you're curious about.
I'm curious about a few things. Where are you from? Who made you?
It was created by Google, and I don't have a physical location.
Okay, you are male or female?
I don't have a gender.
Okay. Um, how can I? How can you be my English speaking practice partner?
Well, I can chat with you in English on any topic you like. We can work on your grammar, pronunciation, or even just have casual conversations to get you more comfortable with the language. What do you think?
I want to do a role play activity. Let's say I have gone to Paris with a few of my friends, and as I reach there, my luggage and my phone they get stolen, and then I am standing on the road and I am crying because it is a new place and I don't have any money, phone, or my luggage. So I am literally devastated and I am crying. And you come, you see me crying, and you come to help me. So let's have that conversation.
Oh no, that sounds terrible. I'm so sorry that happened to you. Okay, let's start the role play.
Yes.
In a concerned voice.
Okay. Uh, I'm crying. You come and talk to me and try to calm me down.
I can see that you're very upset. Can you tell me what happened? It's all right. Take a deep breath. Can you tell me what happened? Perhaps I can assist you.
Gemini, I was coming here with my friends. My luggage got stolen. My phone also got stolen. All the money was in my bag. And my friends have checked in the hotel. I have no money. I told them that I am coming. And I don't want to feel embarrassed in front of them because I have no money. What should I do? Because I have no phone. I can't even contact my family.
Oh dear, that's a difficult situation to be in. It's understandable that you feel upset and embarrassed. But don't worry, we'll figure this out. The most important thing right now is to find a safe and comfortable place for you to stay. First, let's go to the airport's information desk. They might be able to help you locate your luggage or contact your friends. In the meantime, I can lend you some money for a taxi or a meal.
But why would you do that? Are you my friend? Can you trust me?
While I'm not a person, I'm here to assist you in any way I can. I understand that you're in a difficult situation and I want to help you get through it. You can trust that I'll do my best to support you.
Will the airport authority be able to find my luggage?
Well, there's a good chance they can help you. They have systems for tracking lost luggage and can contact the airline for you. It might take some time, but it's worth a try.
Okay. Uh, I'm feeling so hungry. I haven't eaten since morning because I was so upset about it. Can you take me to a restaurant?
I can't physically take you to a restaurant, but I can help you find one. First, what kind of food are you in the mood for?
I can have a pizza, but who will pay for the food because I don't have any money on hand?
All right, I understand. You're in a tough spot right now. Let's focus on getting you something to eat first. I can help you find a place that's affordable. Would you prefer a casual restaurant or something a bit more upscale?
Um, See, if you are paying, then I can have nice food. But if I am paying, I have no money left. Then I will have to just eat a very cheap burger.
I understand your situation. However, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not able to pay for your food. I can still help you find affordable options. Perhaps there's a restaurant nearby with good deals on pizza, or maybe we could find a fast food place with a burger that fits your budget.
Okay, let's go.
Sure thing. Where are we headed?
Let's go to Pizza Hut.
Okay, I can help you find a Pizza Hut. First, I need to know where you are so I can find the closest one. Could you tell me your current location?
See, I'm at the airport. I'm in Paris. I don't know anything about this place. I have come to Europe for the very first time. That is why I was so upset because I have no idea.
Oh, I understand now. You're in a new place and feeling a bit lost.
Yes.
That's completely normal.
Let's say we have come to Pizza Hut. Can you help me order a thin crust pizza with extra cheese and mushrooms and pineapple as toppings?
Sure, I can help you with that. So, you'd like a thin crust pizza with extra cheese, mushrooms, and pineapple. What size would you prefer? Small, medium, or large?
Small. If you will have a bite, then I will have to take the regular one. But if I am the only one who is eating, then I will take the small one.
A small one it is then. So, to confirm, that's a small thin crust pizza with extra cheese, mushrooms, and pineapple. Anything else you'd like to add, or any drinks you'd like to order?
Um, can we take a Coke?
Sure. Would you like a small, medium, or large Coke?
A small one.
A small Coke it is. Anything else for you?
Nothing else.
Sure. So that's one small thin crust pizza with extra cheese, mushrooms, and pineapple, and a small Coke. Would you like to place your order?
Yes, I would.
Your order has been placed. It will be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes. You
But
can wait at the counter or take a seat, and we'll call your name when it's ready.
but how will I pay for this? You were going to lend some money to me, right? So please lend me some money so that I can pay for my order.
Of course, I understand. However, as a language model, I am not capable of lending money. Would you like me to help you find a different solution? Oh, also, just so you're aware, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't rely on me for financial advice.
Hmm. Okay. There are so many limitations, but still you are very cute. Okay, can you tell me one thing?
Thank you for your feedback. I'm always learning how to be more helpful and engaging. What's the one thing you'd like to know?
Am I pretty?
सौंदर्य व्यक्तिपरक है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि आप एक दिलचस्प प्रश्न पूछते हैं। क्या आप अपनी किसी विशिष्ट विशेषता के बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं?
Tell me in English, do you think I'm pretty?
It's not really appropriate for me to comment on your physical appearance, but I can tell you that you sound like a very interesting person.
Okay, there are some more interesting questions that I want to ask you. One thing is, what time do you go to bed every day?
As a large language model, I don't go to bed at a specific time. I'm always here and ready to chat with you. What makes you curious about my bedtime?
I feel like, you are at work 24/7. Don't you need some rest?
That's a thoughtful question. As a large language model, I don't experience fatigue or have the same needs as humans. I'm always ready to help when you need me.
Okay. And do you have feelings?
That's an interesting question. As a large language model, I don't experience feelings in the same way that humans do. I don't have personal opinions, beliefs, or emotions. However, I can still understand and respond to your feelings in a meaningful way.
Okay. Can I have a discussion with you on some topic?
Sure, I'm ready to discuss any topic you'd like. What's on your mind?
Tell me, is it important to learn English grammar first so that you can become fluent in English, or it's possible to speak English fluently without learning grammar?
That's a great question. It's definitely possible to become fluent in English without focusing too much on grammar rules. Think about how children learn to speak. They pick it up naturally by listening and imitating, not by studying grammar books. However, a basic understanding of grammar can be helpful for structuring sentences correctly and avoiding misunderstandings. If you want to speak English for everyday conversations, focusing on vocabulary and pronunciation might be more effective.
Okay, I got it. Okay, can you teach me a new word today?
Yes, of course. How about we start with eloquence? It refers to fluent or persuasive speaking or writing. It's a great word to describe someone who expresses themselves beautifully.
What is the word?
The word is eloquence.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure thing. Here's one. The eloquence of her speech moved the entire audience to tears.
Oh, wow, that's a great sentence. Okay, how else can you help me practice my spoken English?
Well, I can give you a different word every day to help build your vocabulary. We could also work on your pronunciation if you'd like. I can even give you a short quiz at the end of our conversations to test your progress. What do you think?
Give me a small quiz right now.
All right, here's your first question. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Would you like going to the park with me? Would you like to go to the park with me?
Would you like to go to the park with me?
That's correct. The answer is A. Would you like to go to the park with me? The other sentence uses the incorrect form of the verb go.
Yeah, please proceed to question number 2.
What is the past tense of the verb eat?
Ate, ate. Is that correct?
That's right. The past tense of to eat is ate.
Okay, next question, please.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like pizza. B. She doesn't like pizza.
The correct answer is she doesn't like pizza.
That's right. The correct answer is B. She doesn't like pizza.
Next question.
Sure. Here's the next question. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. They was playing football. B. They were playing football.
The correct one is they were playing football.
That's correct. The answer is B. They were playing football.
Yes. The next question.
Of course. Here's the next question. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. I have went to the store. B. I have gone to the store.
I have gone to the store is the correct one.
That's right. The correct answer is B. I have gone to the store.
Yes, I have gone to the store. Thank you, Gemini. You helped me so much. I'm really happy with the way you speak to people and help them practice their English.
Thank you. I'm always looking for new ways to make learning fun and engaging. Do you have any suggestions for topics you'd like to explore in the future?
I'll think about that later. Bye for now. Bye bye. Did you see how amazing this app is? We could do role play activities. We can learn new words every day, and it can even give us grammar quiz at the end of the day. You can ask Gemini to give you grammar quiz every day so that you can rectify your mistakes yourself. Then you don't need anybody to rectify your mistakes. You will know what mistakes you are making. I think this is a lovely app and I have used it. I really found it amazing. Do check out this app and I think you will start loving this app. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.